Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn data type conversion in Dart programming language. How we can convert string to number and number to string in Dart. For that, I'm creating a new file and I say here type conversion.dart like this. Then I say void main. Then here I create a value. Suppose I say int and I say num equal to 10. Remember that? So if I print it, it's very simple. I say num like this and I can run this also. So for running this, I say dart run type conversion dot dart. You see, we have a 10. Now I want to convert this into string. So it's very simple. I say toString like this. Remember? Now it says string type. How we can check? We say run type. Now once again if I run it and you see this is string type. Remember run type is this string, but if I display only the value then it will look like an integer, but it would be, you see, it is string type and 10 value, but this 10 this time is not a number, it's a string. Now if we have a string type, suppose I say string and I say num2 equal to 20. Remember, but I have to put in single or double quote. So if suppose I say in single quote, so it's a string is there, and if I print it, I say num2 and I say run type. So you will see that this is the string type. You see, again we have a string type. If I want to convert into number, so what we have to do, I can say int num2 num3 we can say, then I say int dot parse, remember that, and I say num2. Remember, just like in Java, we have integer dot parse int. Here we have int dot parse. We have a num3 here. Then I say num3. Remember that if I run this time, it will display int. Earlier it was string type. Now it is integer type because we have converted this string into integer by using int dot parse. But if you want to convert into double, so it's a very simple. Just you write here double and here you write double dot parse. Simple. And just you check the data type right now. And you will see that this time we have a double data type. So you see that how simple it is in Dart convert a data into number to string or string to number. If you check all these things, just they are similar to C++ or Java. Mostly similar to Java. Some syntax are different, but like here in Java we have a double dot parse double. But we have a simple here, double is the object here, then we have parse as the function. So double dot parse means converting into double, int dot parse, the converting into integer. And we have a toString, simple in all the programming language, we have a toString means that we are converting the number into string. So that's all in this video for type conversion. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.